Well, it's just one of those days. That's the way it goes with the car wash. It's a little cold. Only negative 15 outside right now, right? With the wind chill. So we got cars going through. I think I'm at like 23 for the day. It's not a lot. It's with having members on, it's even less, you know, money wise. So that kind of sucks. Yeah, it's cold, you know. You gotta deal with shit. You're always dealing with people. You're always dealing with things. I'm pretty lucky because I have a brand new system. I have less than 4,000 cars through it. It's going pretty well so far. I know some of you are like, I do 4,000 in a week. Like, sorry, I don't have that here. I wish we'd be absolutely rolling in it. Yeah. You guys can tell I'm a little tired. Car washes are draining. That's just the way it goes. You never know what you're gonna expect. You never know what you're gonna expect. You never know what to expect. You never know what you're gonna get. I really should hire on 4 or 5 more people. I kind of had this philosophy that if I took care of people and I gave them full-time jobs and gave them their own departments or categories, whatever, that I would get more work out of them. That's not the case. It's just me and one other person here now, so I think another person's gonna start tomorrow. I think he's gonna come in for an interview. Yeah. Unfortunately, I don't really live in the area where I have a lot of skilled labor to deal with. Let's see what this person wants. Judith Lipianka. Waterworks Car Wash, Instagram. We don't have the manager special anymore. That was the previous business that was here. We're now a new business. So we do exterior car washes. We offer free vacuums to our customers, and then we also do details by appointment only. Sure, so that would have to be set up by a detail. I can get you an appointment. That starts at $125 and goes up from there. Yep, we'll need the car for about 4 to 6 hours. It's drop off only. You'll get the car brand new back again. Thank you. Bye. She started laughing on the phone when I said $125. Look, you know, you got to pick your business. This used to be a full service car wash before. It's not anymore. We can wash cars every 30 seconds. I can do 125 cars an hour. When cars come off the line, it's every 30 seconds, you know? You know, that boom, boom, boom. I just do not have the space anymore to do full service. People do not like that whatsoever. The older people, I should say. I have to go, you know, back and forth between the vinyl room. I got a vinyl room in here. It's pretty cool. I can go back and forth between the vinyl room and the front door and my office and the front lobby. Reason being is the door is locked up here. There's no reason on a negative 20-degree day for me to have the lobby open. There's no reason for anybody on a negative 20-degree day to have their lobbies open. Cold weather, people. I got 2 coming in right now, so we're gonna get inside. I'm gonna set the camera up, and hopefully we get to wash some cars. I love washing cars. I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorite things in the whole world. So yeah, we'll get you all set up. Get it set up. There we go. So, let's see. Come on, people. That screen will light up automatically when someone has a selected wash. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready to wash some cars. I'm ready to wash some cars. I'm ready to wash some cars. Let's see. Sorry guys, I don't have any YouTube software yet, so I can't speed these videos up yet. So I'm gonna go check and see what's up for customers. Alright, so it is a older woman paying with cash. That's the way it goes with old people. They love to pay with cash. It's good for you out there that have cash businesses. This is not really a cash business. We do 90% credit cards here. I wish I could open up that payment station and see 5,000 or 10,000, but that's just not the way it works. And maybe if I open that thing up, I generally do it every other day. I'm lucky if I get 50 bucks. People just don't pay with cash up here. I'm going to go back up and help because she doesn't know what she's doing. She had a dollar bill that was not working, but we're about to wash some cars. Here we go. We got a Nissan and an F-150 coming through. She's gonna pull around, boom shakalaka. I think this other guy's gonna get, I think the other guy's an unlimited member, so we'll see. Come on, lady. Start it up. All right, I'm going to send her. Salt on, and your door open, baby, and go. I just love washing cars. Love washing cars. So I'm gonna get my GoPro out soon. I'm gonna get it fixed up in place, get a big old memory card in there, and just let it cruise for a couple hours one of these days when I got a lot of cars coming through, but slow day. Hopefully I'll hit about 80 cars. Yeah, so see you guys.